GMA Regional TV hinirang na Best Regional TV Network sa 2024 Platinum Stallion National Media Awards. Tunghayan sa report. Big winner ang Kapuso Shows at Personality sa 2024 Platinum Stallion National Media Awards ng Trinity University of Asia.
The Platinum Stallion Media Awards goes to GMA 7, GMA Network.
Muling kinilala ang GMA Network bilang TV Station of the Year. Ang award ay tinanggap ni Senior Vice President and Head of GMA Integrated News, Regional TV and Synergy, Oliver Victor B. Amoroso, kasama ang iba pang opisyal ng Kapuso Network at ilang news personalities at artista.
On behalf of the men and women of GMA Network, led by our chairman and advisor, Attorney Felipe Algozon, our president and CEO, Gilberto R. Duapit Jr., maraming salamat, Trinity University of Asia.
Sa ikapitong pagkakataon, muling kinilala na Regional TV Network of the Year ang GMA Regional TV. 24 oras ang Best TV News Program. Female News Anchor of the Year si Vicky Morales. Male News Anchor of the Year naman si Atom Arroyo ng State of the Nation. Ginawaran naman si Emil Sumangil ng Best Public Service Program Host Award para sa resibo, walang lusot ang may atraso, at si Martin Javier ng Best TV Sports Program Host. AM Radio Station of the Year naman ang Super Radio DZBB. Unang hirit ang Best Morning Show. Best News Magazine Program ang Kapuso Mo Jessica Soho. Best Documentary TV Show ang Reporter's Notebook. Family Feud ang itinanghal na Best Game Show. At Pepito Manaloto ang Best Comedy Program. Best Primetime Drama Series ang Kapuso Prime Serye na Royal Blood. At ang bidang si Rian Ramos ang Best Primetime Drama Actress para sa kanyang iconic role na Margaret. Si Kapuso comedian Po Kwang ang Best Variety Show Host para sa TikTok Clock, na tinanggap din ang Comedy Film of the Year Award para sa Becky and Badette nila ni Eugene Domingo. Breakthrough Artist of the Year si Sparkle 10 member Ashley Ortega para sa Kapuso Prime Drama na Hearts on Ice. Child Star of the Year si Ewan Micael ng pelikulang Firefly, at Director of the Year ang direktor nitong si Zig Dulay. Kinilala naman si Kapuso Primetime Queen Marian Rivera bilang Film Actress of the Year para sa pelikulang Rewind, na nanalo ring Best Drama Film of the Year.